Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. Today I'll be speaking about 5 gadgets you need to make money online in 2020. Before we dive into it, if you are an existing subscriber, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified each time I upload a video. You don't want to miss any of my videos because they are going to be impactful and educative. So hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let's dive into it. Yeah. You know, for you to make money, there are some plans you need to make before start making money. One is acquiring the right skill and making sure you are proficient with the skill you acquired. Another thing is also strategizing how you want to list your service. So this will take me to the 5 gadgets you actually need to make money online to make it easier for you. The number one is a laptop. I cannot overemphasize the importance of a laptop or desktop computer for you. Reason is all your contracts, all your work are being done on your laptop. Either you are a freelance writer, graphic designer, uh, programmer, architect, structural design, etc. The moment you win a contract, you are going to execute most of this drawing, writing, design, whatever it is you want to, the service you want to render online. Especially if your service is you can render your service remotely, you are going to execute it on a laptop. You also be needing a laptop to attend meetings. If you are working remotely, maybe you are not allowed to come to the office because of the pandemic stuff. You need your laptop to do a proper meeting and proper presentation. If you look through it, the use of a laptop can never be overemphasized because this is a gadget everybody, irrespective of either you are making money online or you are not making money online, you need it. You need to type something, you need to write something, you need to design something, you need to publish something. So everything takes place on a laptop, and the advantage of a laptop is the mobility. You can move your laptop anywhere around the world, which is giving you the opportunity to work on your projects anywhere around the world. Number two is a smartphone. When I say it's a smartphone, there are so many smartphones around the world, but are the are you using your smartphone smartly? That's why I said smartphone, not mobile phone. The only phone you are using smartly is if you are taking advantage of the functions of this phone. I'll be sharing you some phones you can use to start making money online legitimately. Either you're a trader, as a forex trader you can trade on phone, as a crypto trader you can also trade on phone. There are some graphic designers that also do some of their works on phone too, irrespective of the fact that they still own a laptop. Most forex traders, most crypto traders, they all have a laptop and a phone. Some of them prefer to leave their laptop at home. When they go around their daily activities, they trade on their phone. Some designers use canvas strictly and they produce beautiful design on their phone. So what are you using your phone to do? Have you been using your phone smartly? Since you bought that a million naira plus phones, how much have you made on that phone? How many contracts have you sealed on that phone? How many jobs have you gotten on that phone? How many proposals have you sent out on that phone? Your phone is just not a social media phone for taking pictures and recording videos. What smart thing have you used your phone for? Tell me. Do you advertise your goods on your phone? Do you send out publications on your phone? Do you operate your blog on your phone? Do you do a YouTube video on your phone just like I'm doing now? So if you can not answer all these, if it is not a yes, then you are not using your phone smartly. Frequently I'll produce a video how people have been using their phones smartly, I will speak to crypto traders, forex traders, and some other people, that freelancers that actually send out proposals on their phone, so you could know like, wow, the phone you are holding, it's a powerhouse. It can take you around the globe while you sit down in the comfort of your room. Number three is an internet access. An internet access is very important because it connects you to the outer world of your country. If you don't have an internet, you are totally disconnected from the outer world. If you're a freelancer, you need your internet to do some research. Even if you don't need internet to do your research, when you finish the project, you need to deliver it to the client that hire you. So you need to have access to internet to be able to deliver the job. If you are into crypto mining, you need internet and power 24/7. 24/7. 24/7. You need internet and power 24/7 to be able to continue to do continuous mining, just as like I show on the screen. That's it. It's very, very important. The fourth one is power. Everyone needs power. Either you like it or not, your laptop is going to run down after using it for a long hour. Your phone is going to run down. How do you intend to power it up? That's why I always advise everyone to have a power bank, especially a very high ampere power bank that can charge your phone and laptop at the same time, so you don't run out of power supply irrespective of your location on the world. We know some developed countries have power 24/7, so that is not a problem. But if you are in a third world country, you should always plan. If you have jobs often, make sure you have a power bank. If you can afford, also buy a generator or do a solar installation in your house, and power will not be your problem. Imagine having a meeting and your battery is low and everything trip off within seconds. How will you feel? How would it make you look in front of professionals that want to hire you? The last but not the least, which is a platform. You need a platform to list your service. Yes, there are so many platforms. I will share the link below, whereby I spoke about 10 platforms you can actually list your service. If you're a graphic designer, freelance writer, web developer, any other services you do, if what you know how to do is you are a good conversationalist, you can also list your service like, I'm lively, I'm going to make you happy just by chatting with you, and state your terms and conditions. Don't underestimate that potential you have in you. You can list it as a service if you are very good at it. So it's a platform to list your service. If you want to start a platform, it might be a little bit challenging. It might take a little time before you reach the peak you determine to reach. But listing on this freelance platforms is easier for you because they already have the target audience. They have the customers that comes in looking for freelancers to hire around the world. So just stick to the 10 freelance platform I shared in my last video, and you will be grateful. Last but not the least, you need attitude. Because you are working remotely, because you are getting this information free, you need to act. Doesn't mean you should not act on it. There are several times we've shared money making opportunity on this YouTube channel, but because it's free, people really don't take it up. Imagine over 25 people watching a video, and the only people that sign up on the platform is just 2, so you can know. But for example, if you paid sum of 10,000 naira, you pay sum of 10,000 naira now, I believe you would want to do more about taking action. Because you are getting a job remotely, do it as if the client is standing in front of you. Do what you would do when the client is standing in front of you. Make sure you deliver a quality work so that you could get referral. And by this, you'll be surprised to make a lot of money from referrals. Why am I listing these gadgets? Because all the money opportunities we are going to be sharing here on this channel, you are going to need these gadgets to make money online. either you like it or not. It's a must to have. It's a must to have. You need a laptop, you need a mobile phone, and you need an internet, you need a power supply, and you need a platform. And your attitude towards work should be good. You should be proactive in whatever you are doing, and I assure you success awaits you. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you've picked one or two things. A3 Tech will see you in the next video. Bye bye.